In today's video, I am going to teach you how to resend a document in Pandadoc. Resending a document is useful when a recipient missed the original email, the message landed in a spam folder, or you simply want to give them a fresh reminder without creating a brand new document. The key idea is that you are not editing the content or changing the file. You are just sending the same document again to the same recipient from within Pandadoc. Start by signing into your Pandadoc account and looking at the left-hand sidebar. Find and select the Documents tab. This is where Pandadoc lists the documents you have created or sent, along with their current status. Take a moment to locate the document you want to resend. If you have many documents, move carefully and confirm the title so you open the correct one. Once you have found it, click directly on the document to open it. When the document view loads, look to the right-hand panel. This area shows details about the document, including the people involved, their roles, and the current activity. In that right-hand panel, find the recipient and click the recipient's name. This opens the recipient-specific options, which is where the resend feature is located. Make sure you have selected the correct recipient, especially if the document was sent to more than one person. Resending to the wrong person can cause confusion, so it is worth double-checking before you continue. Next, click the Resend button. It is shown as a circular arrow icon. Selecting this tells Pandadoc to send the document notification again to that recipient. After you click Resend, you will have the option to include a message. This message is optional, but it is a good place to add a short, clear note, such as a quick reminder, a bit of context, or a polite request to review and complete the document. Keep it professional and specific, so the recipient understands why they are receiving the email again. When you are ready, click Resend to confirm. Pandadoc will send the document again, and you can return to the document details to continue tracking activity. That covers everything you need to know.